Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. I never get excited about vacuums until now. Hey, friends, welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into the sharky depths of the SharkPet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner IX141. The one with the LED headlights and handheld function. So here's the deal, we've all been there. You think your house is clean. Then you see a rogue dust bunny or pet hair and suddenly you're questioning everything. That's where the SharkPet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner IX141 swoops in like a knight in shining armor. Well, more like a shark in a very sleek gray body because it's lightweight, powerful, and equipped with headlights that expose every speck of dirt and pet hair hiding in the shadows. Alright, let's break it down. Shark calls this their lightest cordless stick vacuum, and I can confirm that's true. It's super easy to carry around, especially compared to some vacuums that feel like you're lugging a mini suitcase behind you. Setting it up and cleaning is simple too. One button to press and you're ready to go. Plus, emptying the canister is a breeze thanks to the hygienic seal and the way it easily pops off. No fumbling with complicated mechanisms here. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. What does it actually do? Well, in one word, everything. Whether you've got carpets, area rugs, or hard floors, this vacuum attacks dirt, dust, and debris like a shark attacks, well, a school of fish. And yes, it's great at picking up pet hair too. Seriously, if you've got furry friends shedding all over your house, you need this in your life. I don't know what magic Shark has put into this vacuum, but it picks up everything, and I mean everything. I'm pretty sure mine even picked up my hopes and dreams. So let's talk about that awesome LED headlight. Let me tell you, it's a game changer. It lights up the space in front of the vacuum so you can spot and pick up things you didn't even know were there, like finding Nemo in the carpet. Seriously, this feature alone is worth shouting about. Shark claims that this vacuum gives you 40 minutes of power. But here's the real talk. If you're cleaning a small to medium-sized house, it's totally enough. But if you've got a bigger place, you might need to charge it halfway through. Look, I'd rather have a shorter cleaning session with a powerful vacuum than drag out a cleaning session with a weak one. Plus, the removable handheld function is a major win. Take it off, flip it around, and bam! You're cleaning stairs or upholstery like a boss. And with the crevice tool and pet multi-tool included in the mix, you're well equipped to tackle any cleaning challenge. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This vacuum is not cheap. However, if you compare it to other high-quality cordless stick vacuums on the market, it's priced pretty competitively. And considering the suction power and the overall awesomeness of this vacuum, I think it's worth every penny. Trust me, you won't regret investing in this. Also, I know I sound like a broken record, but seriously, if you've got kids or pets, this vacuum is your new best friend. It picks up everything, making it perfect for families on the go. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks. Who needs this vacuum? Well, if you're tired of dealing with the weak suction and tangled cords of your old vacuum, this is for you. Or if you've been considering upgrading to a cordless vacuum, the SharkPet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner IX141 is an excellent choice. It's lightweight, powerful, and super easy to use. If you want to check out the full review with all the nitty-gritty details, check out the linked article. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart reviews. Oh, and don't forget to stay updated with all our latest content.